So the next topic is Wilson's theorem. Wilson's theorem has given us three formulas to be remembered. Okay, these are the formulas. These are the three formulas we must know. If the difference is 1, we make use of this formula. First one. If the difference is 2, we'll make use of this formula. If the difference is 3, we'll make use of this formula. What is that difference? We are talking about 1, 2, and 3. Let us see in the problem directly. First question is find the remainder when 15 factorial is divided by 17. So the first question is what? Find the remainder. Find the remainder when 15 factorial is divided by 17. Now we have got two numbers, 17 and 15. The difference of these two numbers is what? 2. So if the difference is 2, we will make use of the second equation, that is p minus 2 factorial congruent to 1 mod p. Let us write the solution here. Here p is equal to 17. Okay, p is equal to what? 17. So formula is when the difference is 2, p minus 2 factorial congruent to 1 mod p. We know the value of p as 17. 17 minus 2 factorial congruent to 1 mod p value is 17. We'll get how much? 17 minus 2 is 15 factorial. That is what we want. 15 factorial congruent to 1 mod 17. So the remainder is how much? 1. This is only the remainder. Okay. Therefore, the remainder will be 1. That's the solution for the first problem. Let us see the third problem. Then we'll go back to the second problem later. Let us see this problem. Find the remainder when 2 of 26 factorial is divided by 29. Okay, first thing we'll do is we'll write p value. P is equal to 29 they are given. Okay, now the difference between this number and this number, 29 and 26, how much is the difference? It is 3. So once we have 3, we'll make use of this formula. Which formula? P minus 3 factorial is congruent to p minus 1 by 2 mod p. P value we know, that is 29. 29 minus 3 factorial. 29 minus 1 is 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14 mod 29. Okay. Now this gives us 26 factorial congruent to 14 as it is, mod 29 as it is. Now we want what? Only if they had asked find the remainder of 26 factorial, we could have told it is 14. Okay, but they have asked what? 2 of 26 factorial. So what do? We will multiply 2 throughout. So 2 of 26 factorial is congruent to 14 into 2 is 28 mod 29. Therefore, the remainder will be what? Remainder is 28. Let us go to the second problem. Now, here if we see that they are asking, show that 4 of 29 factorial plus 5 factorial is divisible by 31. So we will go part by part. So 31 minus 29 is how much? 2. So which formula? P minus 2 factorial congruent to 1 mod p. That we will substitute 31 minus 2 factorial congruent 1 mod 31. We'll get 29 factorial here. 1 mod 31 as it is. Next we want what? 29 we have got 29 factorial, multiple of 4 we want. So 4 of 29 factorial congruent to 4 into 1 is 4 mod 31. All right. Then what we have got till now, we have come here now. So 4 of 29 factorial we have got. We need still plus 5 factorial. Okay, addition to that. So 4 of 29 factorial plus 5 factorial congruent to 4 as it is plus 5 factorial. added plus 5 factorial both sides. So 5 factorial value we know, that is 120. 120 plus 4 is 124. Okay, and if we see that 124 is completely divisible by 31, that gives us remainder as 0. Therefore 4 of 29 factorial plus 5 factorial is divisible by 31, we can write. Let us see the fourth problem. Find the remainder when 14 factorial is divided by 17. Now if we see the difference, 17 and 14 is 3. So we'll make use of third formula. P minus 3 factorial congruent to P minus 1 by 2 mod P. P value we know, that is 17, minus 3, which gives us 14 factorial. Here P value is 17, minus 1 is 16. 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8 mod 17. Therefore, remainder is 8. Similarly, you try to solve this problem.